Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Gentle Beyonce just out here riding around, and just wanted to kind of give you guys a little bit of a heads up as we roll into 2023, and just want to give you an update on what the channel is going to be like for this year. There are just a couple of things that I am definitely looking forward to, that I don't know if it's going to be unique or anything like that, but there's something new for me to try on the channel, and so we're gonna just try to spin that off. I'm trying to get some stuff set up for that. Got to get some testing done, and then hopefully we can get going on those two things. But like I said, it's not a huge thing, but I think I hope it adds a little bit of flavor to the channel. I hope it adds a little bit more opportunity to make content and opportunity to just kind of expand the channel, maybe, or whatever. But like I said, just a couple of things, and actually on top of that too, actually when I'm thinking about it, there is a third thing that it will be harder to do. It's going to be harder to do, but hopefully I'm hoping that I can maybe be able to do one of them. It's basically, I'm hoping to be able to get out and ride the bike, probably in Florida. More than likely I want to try to get down into Florida and do a Gulf Coast down to Miami and then out to Key West ride. But I mean, that's a huge undertaking. Like that's huge, you know what I mean? And so that's going to take a lot of planning, and a lot of stuff that I need to be put in place before I can even make that kind of ride. So I probably, with that particular ride, I probably won't ride it down, but I'll probably tow it down or something like that. More than likely I'm going to tow it down to I believe it might be the Orlando or Tampa area, and then go from there. But like I said, that's going to take a lot of planning. The other thing that I want to do is I actually want to wire up the helmet so that it'll connect. I'm basically going to try to hook a microphone up to my speaker, from the car to the Cardo speakers, so that whenever I do group rides or I do dual vlogs or something like that, you can hear the other individual's voice as well, so you can kind of get both sides of the conversation instead of me just kind of laughing at myself or laughing at them. All you hear is me laughing and talking to myself. And so trying to make that happen for this year. And then also too, because finally my GoPro can actually do live streaming, then now I'm thinking about probably doing some sort of live streaming, and just that way I mean, it's going to be hard to interact with you guys. I can just see probably the chat scroll or something like that, but obviously I wouldn't be able to type. I might be able to conversate. I mean, if I read your questions or if I read your comments, then I could reply to your comments via my voice and not texting while riding. But like I said, those are just a couple of things that I want to try out for the new year. They may go as planned, they may not go as planned, but we're going to give it a try, give it a go, and see how how well it is and see if it's like too hard to do. Well, at least I know that for sure the riding in Florida and probably the live is going to be a little bit difficult to do, but the riding for sure in Florida is going to be more difficult because that takes getting the family down there, planning the trip and stuff of that nature. So, but we'll see. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just kind of a little bit of update on the 2023 year for the channel. And as always, I appreciate you guys coming along with me. I appreciate you guys sitting and watching me just kind of do my thing, man, because I know that we all like to ride. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and hit the share and hit the like, and then we'll see you guys here on the next one, man. Peace out.